I got so much fucking design on right now. Every time, bring it back, make it come, but they do all fast. I'm a dog, bitches on the line.
Good morning guys, sa loob na po tayo ngayon ng aeroplano. Sumaya, pag landing po nito, mahingin po tayo. Try natin pumunta sa cockpit or hingin natin. Hi! Kaya natin mamaya. Sana ano tayo? Kailangan natin mag-box scan. Update ko kayo mamaya. Bye!
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to the Polo Airport. For safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. And be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mayari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Naisin namin ipaalam sa inyo na paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na pinagpabawal. On behalf of our entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight crew, Captain Tia and First Officer Bautista, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It is truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly with more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
So yun guys, almost wala ng tao. Kasi na lang po. Thank you. Try po natin. Excuse me ma'am, good morning ma'am. Mag-ano lang po sana ma'am, kung magbabaka sakali lang po ma'am, baka pwede po makapag-picture sa cockpit po. Kung pwede lang po. Sige po.
Yung isang piloto namin.
Okay po. Wala.
Alam mo nila, nakalakad na yung
Thank
isa.
you.
Kasi pa sa lobas.
Sir, good morning po sir.
Sure na kita.
Dalawa po.
Dalawa kayo?
Apo sir.
Sige, dalawa na kayo. Ayan, dito. Sure lang po yan.
Wala.
Sure. Kung kayo.
Wow.
So, during deplaning lang kasi pwede mo picture.
Yes.
Dali yan. I-forward. Okay. Wait lang. Lighting kasi. Ayun, phone mo na. Ano yan, solo mo ka ba?
Ay.
Pang-profile video.
First time.
Happy yarn.
Yes. Welcome to Dipolog. Hey. Thank you po, sir. Yes. Kaya ka na.
Ha?